And now let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate tango choreography with teaching count. And quick, 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 slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 quick and slow. Quick, 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 slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Slow, quick, 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 slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Very good. And now let's look at same tango choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with 4-step into corner. Then we dance Fallaway Promenade. We start moving down line of dance. Then we move diagonally to center. And we finish in promenade position, ready to move diagonally to wall with promenade link. From here we dance brush tap. And 4-step change. We continue with 2 walks, moving down line of dance, progressive link, we achieve a promenade position, and dance open promenade, which means last step is outside partner. From here we dance outside swivel, and continue with 2 walks around the corner. Then we move down new line of dance with open reverse turn with open finish. From here we dance again outside swivel and another outside swivel, which is on reverse turn. Now we move around the corner with 2 walks, then progressive link and back open promenade, which means last step for man is backward. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.